What's going on, everyone? This is Vince from Life with Vince Luu. And yesterday I finished my run 10 miles a day for 30-day challenge. I'm finally done. 30 days, 10 miles a day, 300 miles. And today, it all caught up to me. And I just feel absolutely crushed today. I don't know what it is. But I'm super happy that it happened today than any of the other days, because I got up this morning and as a reward to myself, I actually slept in. I slept in till about 6:30, and at 6:30 I looked at my phone and my mind was just awake. So I decided to get up. And when I got up, I was like, oh, just felt like I ran 300 miles the past 30 days. That's what it felt like. And my motivation is pretty low today. I was just dragging butt and needing coffee. I drank 3 cups of coffee today. And my knees ache. I'm walking around the house and everything is just slow. And hopefully it gets better, because I have to run 366 days in a row. That's my new running goal. And I actually went out for a run today. And the run today, I only went out for 2 miles. Because I couldn't go on any longer. And by I couldn't go on any longer, I just mean I just didn't have the mental capacity. Maybe I'm breaking. Maybe. But I also think that it's because I don't have that necessarily end goal. Because when I was running the 10 miles a day for 30 days, I was like, okay, I have an end goal. I have to run 10 miles and I'm going to push through it. But now it's like, all right, I'm just going to go out there and run. And when I got 2 miles in, I was like, I don't need to run 10 miles anymore. What am I doing? And then I walked. So, it definitely was a lapse in my will, or to push through it. But it's hard to push through it when I don't have a super concrete end goal, right? Right now, I don't have a mileage that I'm going to hit. I think if I had some sort of mileage, I'm going to hit 40 or 50 miles per week, I would obviously ran more than 2 miles today, because I wouldn't want to run 2 miles a day and then make it up for the rest of the week. So I think for me, I need to have some sort of concrete end goal, because when I got to the 2 miles, I was like, nah, I'm just going to walk. So I just walked. The rest of the way home. I walked another mile. So I got 3 miles in today. And yeah, it all just caught up to me. And I still feel tired. My mind is there because, it's midday, had some coffee, but my knees, my body just feels achy. It feels heavy. And I think I need to reset my metabolism as well. I think I need to do some sort of reverse diet, reverse running, because I was running 10 miles a day, plus I was eating 3,200 calories a day. And then now I'm want to kind of dial that down slowly. I definitely should have gone longer. The plan was actually to go out for 5 miles today, but I only went out for 2. It is what it is. But today's calories are going to be right around 27 to 28 to kind of combat that, and then hopefully reset my metabolism just a little bit, because I know I've been seeing that my heart rate's getting, my regular heart rate, my resting heart rate is getting slower. So that means my body's just more efficient. And then also I was eating I see myself burning, at least from my Fitbit, which is usually pretty accurate. It's burning 3,500 to 3,600 calories during those 10-mile runs per day. But I'm only eating 31, 32. But the 31, 32 is maintaining my weight. So that means my metabolism has to be off. So it's probably off by a few hundred calories. So I definitely want to reset that, because I will be doing that burn 10K calorie challenge hopefully next week. So thanks, Coach B, for letting me borrow the rower. The plan is to run 30 miles, at least 50K. So that's 31 miles. I'm going to do 1,000 burpees, and then I want to row for an hour. So whatever that is, that's going to be, and then also like 300 to 500 pull-ups. So all that, I have to do that. And then whatever is missing calorie-wise, I'm either going to keep rowing, keep running, or do some sort of other exercise. So that's the goal. So thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for following my journey. I feel like an old man right now. And I mean that in every sense. Like I feel like my posture, I just feel like bleh. My knees hurt. I don't feel like doing anything. So that's why I'm going to take the next week or slow. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let me know if you have any cool challenges that you want me to do physically, mentally. I am 100% up for it. So let me know. All right. See you soon.